Have you ever wondered about the story behind the captivating Apple TV Plus series Lessons in Chemistry? While the show isn't based on true events, it draws inspiration from author Bonnie Garmus's professional background and her mother's experiences during the 1960s. Um, let's delve into the fascinating world of Elizabeth Zott, a chemist who becomes a cooking show host, and how her character reflects the struggles of women in a male dominating society. Lessons in Chemistry follows Elizabeth Zott, a passionate scientist who, after losing her job, becomes the host of a popular cooking show. Instead of focusing solely on recipes, she uses this platform to educate women on a wide range of topics. The story is inspired by Garmus's mother, who was a nurse in the 1960s and later became a housewife. Bonnie Garmus wanted to pay tribute to the women of her mother's generations who faced diminished aspirations due to societal expectations. Elizabeth's struggles mirror those of many women during that time, as only a third of women held jobs outside the home, and most of these were unmarried. Um, the show's creators also drew inspiration from early cooking shows before Hollywood's golden age, which aimed to guide women on becoming ideal wives and mothers. However, Lessons in Chemistry took a surprising turn, with Elizabeth using her show to teach domestic skills while instilling values of self reliance and independent thought. Garmus incorporated her personal experiences into the character of Elizabeth, showcasing resilience and persistence in the face of rejection. Um, After all, her first book was turned down over 90 times before Lessons in Chemistry became a bestseller. Um, in the Apple TV Plus miniseries, Elizabeth develops a romantic relationship with Calvin, another scientist. However, their love story ends tragically, leaving Elizabeth and the audience emotionally affected. Some key differences between the book and the miniseries include Elizabeth's backstory, the depiction of her canine companion, 630, and the character of Harriet Sloan. In the end, Lessons in Chemistry is a captivating tale inspired by real life experiences and historical context, offering a heartfelt tribute to the women who fought for equality and independence in a male dominated world. Will of the topic administration who watched the US and most events, World His Father. Now, before I let you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Uh, and remember, life may throw you curveballs, but with resilience and determination, you can overcome any obstacle. Um, no, I don't know why I wanted to just see the female connection with all the people are someone that entire self, just like Elizabeth 630 in the series. Um, and then it was paid point to standardized measures of, with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time.